Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely and creative skill. It is a lovely art. It is easy to learn and very relaxing. You can decorate clothes, cushion covers, bags and many other things. Let's explore some simple and beautiful embroidery ideas. First, the floral embroidery design. Flowers are the most popular choice. You can make small or big flowers with colorful threads. Floral designs look fresh and pretty on any fabric. Next is the leaf and vine design. This style is simple and elegant. You can create long lines with small leaves. It looks very nice on dresses, dupattas and tablecloths. Another idea is a geometric pattern. These designs use simple shapes like lines, squares and circles. They look modern and neat. This is a good option for beginners. Now let's talk about the name and letters embroidery. You can stitch your name on clothes, handkerchiefs or gifts. It makes your item special and personal. The mirror work embroidery is also very beautiful. Small mirrors are added with colorful threads. This design is popular in traditional dresses and looks very bright and festive. Next, the border embroidery design. You can decorate the edges of clothes, sleeves or scarves. Simple borders can make any outfit look stylish. Let's also look at some basic stitches you can use. The running stitch, very easy and good for outline. The chain stitch looks like a chain and is great for curves. The satin stitch used to fill shapes with smooth thread. The cross stitch makes small X shapes and looks very neat. You don't need many tools to start embroidery. You only need fabric, colorful thread, a needle and a hook. That's all. Here are some simple tips. Start with simple designs. Use light colors first, then try bright ones. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video.